Hey there YouTube, this is Phantom Forces and we are back with a new video that is of Pokemon Go. This is our first Pokemon Go video and in this we are going to show you how to do the joystick hack in Pokemon Go.
You know what the joystick is used for? Pokemon Go has been told that it causes a lot of accidents and we can prevent that by using a joystick. You can just sit in a house, move around with the joystick, catch Pokemon, live life. That is the great thing about the fake GPS joystick. So we're going to show you how to do it first.
And so now you've got to exit from Pokemon Go. That is remove all of them. And so
Go to
now
Play Store.
Let's go to Play Store.
And remember, this app only works for Android, not
And
for iOS.
type fake GPS Go. And let's install
This should be the symbol always. It only shows in Android. So don't mind searching it for iOS because it
it's
may
no
not
use.
work. Okay then, so let's go press install.
And let's just wait. Hey.
Oh.
Yours.
Our device doesn't have so much space. So we're gonna come back after some time and just free some space and come.
And so let's delete some of our useless games. That is. Let's see what to delete out. Let's remove. You know what?
Five Nights of Freddy. So many is
Hey,
not required.
come on. That's kind of good. Okay, let's remove. No, I'm not understanding. Multicraft. Yeah, Multicraft. No good at all. Because we have Minecraft.
We're gonna even show you how to download Minecraft and other games for free also. That also.
Well, that's gonna come afterward. Don't review. And let's remove all the dumb stuff. Kindle? No.
That's it.
Okay. So now, let's go to Play Store. And now let's install. Come on, how much space does this even need? What, 1 GB? 1 TB? No. Okay.
And there you go. We gotta wait now.
So this is how the pictures are. And just, whoa, so fast. I'm kind of shocked. And so let's just keep on waiting. And is it done yet? Okay. So now it's happening. And now it is downloaded. So just go to your home, hit there fake GPS Go.
First go to
settings. Go to about phone.
Double tap on the build.
No, just keep on clicking until you're developer. We're already developer, so we don't need to do anything.
Now go to developer options.
Go to developer options.
Mark location app.
Select mark location as
fake GPS.
Go. And now make sure that your location is on. So go to location. Go to location and the location is on.
Started putting music, but then it flopped.
Yeah, maybe the music didn't work so good. And so now
let's go to fake GPS Go.
Go to fake GPS Go. Allow. Not now. And so this is where my location is. Just press on start. Also, you can set the location wherever you want. This is to move the joystick. You see this kind of button. And
there's a speed button also, which we'll show you now.
And now go to Pokemon Go. And so here's the speed button. You can increase the speed maximum to 50. Let's not keep it too much. I'll keep it around 18. Okay, 18. So now let's
18 will
wait
be
for
slow.
Pokemon Go
18 will be slow. Keep it 24 or something. At least
fine. 26. Okay.
Did it come?
So it's almost.
What's wrong with the signal? It doesn't take so much. Maybe it takes.
Usually. Okay. So now it has come. Okay. So guys, now you will be very shocked when you look at the fake joystick.
Look at that.
And you're moving around without moving.
Let's just show you another trick so that we're not cheating.
Look. And so now look at this. So if you guys don't know how to get Pokeballs for free, you can use the joystick. So go to any Pokestop that looks like this around your area and then spin the Pokestop. And there, you get items. This time we got a Pokeball. So, and now that's how you do the joystick hack. Guys, please comment and subscribe. Okay, so I don't want to capture anything right now. Please comment and subscribe.
And also write on the comment that if you want to see any of our Pokemons and other stuff, you can just write.
Like gym battles, capturing, edge catching, evolving, anything. Just comment it, subscribe, and like.
Thank you guys. We are the Phantom Forces again.
Thank you.
Bye.